Hi, come on in. We love the graphics. That's Rocky the Cougar. This part of the building is part of the original building, and the design committee had the foresight to include the old gym as an indoor recess gym. This is our new gym, which is much larger and also serves as a storm shelter. This is our lovely new media center. The reading nooks that are here in our library are also echoed in each of our grade level pods, so students have cozy little spaces to read books. We're one of the 3 bilingual campuses here in Sherman, so we're going to visit a bilingual reading class today. I think our 4th graders are engaging in a lesson in our flex space. I love how our new building creates spaces for collaboration, not just for our students, but for teachers as well. Our science lab is connected to our outdoor learning space so that teachers can easily move from indoor learning experiences to outdoor learning experiences. It's fully equipped with materials and resources to ensure that students have access to all of the learning experiences that they should have at each of the different grade levels. Our playground has some accessibility features to it, like the swings, and there's a boat, a ship over there that rocks back and forth. It's actually wheelchair accessible. Our cafeteria is very large. Our stage that opens to the music room in the back so that they have opportunities to practice and rehearse. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tour today as much as we're enjoying our building. Thanks for coming.